Hey, check this out. Ethereum likely to crash below $1,000. Now, this is according to a person on YouTube named Benjamin Cohen. Why? Why is he trying to tell us that Ethereum is going to go down to $1,000? Now, understand this is a free and flowing market. Yes, there is manipulation. But why would he come and state to his followers that Ethereum is going to go and crash below 1,000? Let's figure this article out real quick. Crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen says that he's expecting Ethereum to correct sharply to below $1,000 level, not just slowly drifting lower in price. He's saying sharply going down to 1,000. So like this is going to be an abrupt movement lower. In a new strategy session, Cowen tells his 790,000 YouTube subscribers, so he has a massive following of people who listen to him, that historically, here we go, that one word historically is what get people caught up. It's what gets people placed on the wrong side of the trade because you suspect that it's going to happen again. Well, that's history, and history often, you already know, repeats itself. That's what most people say. But when you have a market, it doesn't have to repeat. He is telling his 790,000 subscribers, followers, that Ethereum tests the integrity of its major cycle lows at least twice before moving into a new bull phase. Okay, so he's saying that the market comes and hits support. Okay, that's what tests the security means. That's what integrity, test the integrity means. It just means that price comes down and bounces off a support line. That's it. Okay, so let's not let these people try to induce these massive or analytical words or, educational words that they try to get you to think that they're smart. That's all it means. The analyst points out the retest of cycle lows in 2015, 2016, 2020, and says that another low in 2022 has yet to be tested. See, if he's going to go through the price chart on a historical basis, do you see how many years within Ethereum from 2015 to 2024 now, or 2023 now, that it didn't do it? He mentions 2015, 16. Well, what about 17? What about 18? What about 19? What about 2021? Those 4 years, did not Ethereum do that? Did it not test support twice before the market ran up? Or was it still in a bear market? What I'm suggesting, and I quote, this is what he said to his followers, and I quote, what I'm suggesting is that sometime in the next few months, is that 6 months? Is it 9? Is it 12 months? That Ethereum paired against Bitcoin is going to break down. After Ethereum, Bitcoin breaks down, Ethereum paired against the dollar is going to break down. So he's looking for the Bitcoin market against Ethereum to fall first. And then it's going to be Ethereum versus the dollar. One of the things about Ethereum and the dollar that you might notice is that it doesn't tend to just put in a low and then never test the integrity of that low. Look at all of the prior examples. So at some point, I think Ethereum would test the integrity of that low back down below 1,000. But history would also suggest, another buzzword, suggest, that it won't test it until after Ethereum breaks down, paired against Bitcoin. So now he's adding another condition for Ethereum to fall and test 1,000, paired against the dollar. It has to do it first in Bitcoin. So what if it doesn't fall first paired against Bitcoin? What if it doesn't do that? Then does that negate this condition of his prediction looking for Ethereum to fall to $1,000? Yes, it would. And history also suggests that Ethereum paired against Bitcoin probably won't break down in January, because normally January is a good month for Ethereum. See all of these conditions. So now he's adding a condition with Ethereum paired against Bitcoin, and that more than likely it won't break down in January, because that's usually a good month for Ethereum paired against Bitcoin. Now here's the chart right here. Okay, so he's trying to show you that before the price action in Ethereum breaks out, it comes back down and tests support. Okay, now look at it. Back in 2016, 2015, the market in Ethereum quickly and abruptly came and tested that support line. It did it not that long, but it took a little while before the market in Ethereum came and tested it the second time in 2016. And then you come and see the market in Ethereum in 2017, 2018. It took it at least a whole year, year and a half or so before it came and tested that same support area. Right? And now you can see Ethereum here. Now, 2022, it created $1,000 lows for support, right? So he's saying 2024 that Ethereum is going to come back down and test it. Now understand, it doesn't have to do that. So all of the people who will be creating those buy orders around 1,000 may just be sitting and will never get their orders executed because the price will never come back down to 1,000. Or will it? Because a lot of people, since the spot Bitcoin ETF has been approved by the SEC, they're looking for Ethereum to do the same thing. They're looking for Ethereum to also get a spot ETF approved. Would that negate us seeing Ethereum fall back down to 1,000? It could. Let's go ahead and look at the chart. Okay. So here's our price prediction. You guys can see that we anticipated price to go down in Ethereum. You guys can see the 23rd price came to our buy zone. So the 12.92% went right there. It did it. So we could get rid of it. We could also get rid of this area here into the market in Ethereum. And let me see this. On the 3-weekly chart. Let me see there's something on 30-minute real quick. So he's looking for Ethereum to go down to $1,000, right? So let's see how far that is. So he's looking for around like 55% drop in Ethereum's price. 55% drop. That would mean that the overall cryptocurrency space is in a bear market. It's just that easy. And it takes you all the way back down to these areas of support. That's why he's saying it, is because the market in Ethereum created a support back here in June 2022. But $1,500 can also be support. Can you not see that? Look at all of these buyers here in this particular area. It may not go all the way back down to 1,000. What do you think? Because that is a logical area too to see the market in Ethereum come through and hold support. There's a lot of people there that can actually come through and actually hold the market. But yeah, currently right now, I do suspect that price in Ethereum is still weak, especially here on the 2-weekly chart. It looks weak there. Here it is on the 3. Currently still looks pretty weak to me there. Here it is on the 5. Let me be real with you. Okay. Here it is on the 5-weekly chart. Look at the bar now. That's definitely weakness. The volume is also higher than what it was the prior 5 weeks. So for us to continue to see lower prices in Ethereum, yes, I do think price is going to go down. But as of right now, I don't think it's going to run down to 1,000. Not yet. There's a lot of areas that we can see buyers come in and hold price, namely around that $1,500, $1,600 price target. That would be my first area that I will be looking for Ethereum to run and hold support. Okay, here it is on the monthly chart. 2 more days. Pay attention. The chart is already hinting that the market here in Ethereum is weak. So I think we need to go back and do another price prediction in Ethereum, looking for the market to go lower. What do you guys think? Should we do that? Yeah, let's do that. Let me go ahead and create this sell zone first. Okay, so this is going to be our newest sell zone here into the market in Ethereum. And back on the daily chart. Nope, let me bring that up here. We're going to bring the sell zone up a little bit higher. Okay. And we're going to look for price to go back down in Ethereum. Bring that up to around 2,500, meaning as long as price in Ethereum stays below that sell zone, we're going to anticipate that there's a higher weight probability for price to go down. Now we're going to still hold our first target right here though, in this first buy zone. So either at the high, which is 4.32%, or at the low, 6.72. That's our first target. And here's my second target for Ethereum. Okay, this is our second target, i.e. buy zone. Okay, so we got that. That's our second target right here, either at the high or the low. At the low is 15.67%. Then another target would be down here around $1,800. But I'm not going to put that there yet, but I just want to show you visually that that will be our third target though. It might take us a while to see the market in Ethereum really run down to this third target, but that will give us 21%. All right, so give me your thoughts about what Benjamin is trying to say. Looking for Ethereum to go back down to $1,000, all because of history, which sometimes history doesn't repeat itself. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.